Hi everyone, Safan here from Step to Grow with another interesting and informative lesson to all of you who are still struggling to know how can we speak English well and how can we communicate better in English. So viewers, keep watching this video till it finishes. Stay with me. I will be teaching you and I will be showing you that how can we enunciate, how can we pronounce words like native English speakers. So first of all, I am having on the board some of the very common and ordinary words which we normally use in everyday talks while we are chatting with someone on the phone or while we are writing emails or letter to someone. So first of all, you can have a look at this word. People in the society use it as foreign. I must say foreign. That is completely wrong. The second word is which is uttered by the people, morning. I'm talking in the wrong way. First I'll be talking in the wrong way and alternatively I'll be correcting them, all of them, one by one. Another word is important. Below the important we are having ordinary. The next word is very common, strategic. Now we are having one of the important and common term related to the office, official. That is wrong. Next one is aisle. Below the aisle we are having, people call it normally while they try to speak or enunciate, farm. That is wrong. Another word is grocery. And the last one which we contain in the list, normal. So audience, now I'll be showing you that what are the actual pronunciations of these words and how can we call them accurately. First of all, in English this word is uttered as foreign. The next one is morning. Third is important. The fourth one is ordinary. Below the ordinary we are having strategic. Another word is official. Below the official we are having oil. And the next one is very common, very obvious word, form. And another word is grocery. And the last one we are discussing today, normal. So audience, I'll be reminding you and I'll be highlighting very important information that it's the major and primary factor of any languages that if we want to sound them, we should learn first how can we pronounce them accurately and how can we say words in a better way and in an effective way. So this was the day one where I discussed some of the common everyday mistakes. In another lesson I'll be showing you some of the features related to the spelling mistakes. Thank you so much.